Hi, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. I just want to shoot a real quick video and maybe answer a couple of questions that I get asked a lot. This particular kit is the Duel 15, which is a knockoff of the Dodge Challenger RT kit from 2015 to present. You can actually put it on 11 through 14 as well, but this is when the 15 come out, and it's a real popular kit. Comes two different ways. It comes with the RT like you see here, but I wanted to show you real quick for the non-RT folks, it also comes with a shadow stripe. And then the question I always get is, well, where's my RT? And so just wanted to show you real quick. We go ahead and install this just like this, but we take this off. We take the rear pieces, the shadow off, and that leaves this, and then the RT that comes with it, we install that right here. It's already pre-spaced. A lot of times you can take a piece of masking tape and make it straight, but if you use your space that you have right there, it lines that RT up perfect. And then you have the RT kit. Looks factory, looks strong, makes a car. This car was so plain, even though it's a GT and with a big motor. I mean RT, please forgive me. And so just a couple of things. And one of the other suggestions I have is install the door first. Take your time. Everything's pre-cut. There's no cutting on the car. Do the door first, then do the fenders, and do the rear quarters if you like. And that is just a couple of suggestions. But when folks get the kit, they're like, well, why has it got that strobe? And that's for the non-RTs, which it does look good for the SXT models. But just thought I'd shoot this quick video and answer a couple of questions on the Dodge Challenger Duel 15 side stripe kit. Thank you again for watching this video, and we appreciate if you subscribe and like it. Not the best at making these videos, but I do know how to install stripes, and hopefully I can help along the way. And please, those questions about installations, please keep sending them to me, and I'll try to answer those the best I can. And again, this is Ray with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim.